Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this eyeshadow look using only the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. Have you ever bought something only because it was on sale? You might not even need it, or maybe you don't really even like it, but because it's on sale, it gets you and you just have to have it because of that great deal. Well, that's what happened with this palette. It was on clearance at Sephora for $36.75 when it's normally $49. So I saw this palette and I saw clearance. I've got to have it. But then I had an internal argument with myself. I said, no, Amber, you don't need another eyeshadow palette. Is the 50 palettes you already have not enough? So then I was like, no, you don't need it. And so I walked away, but then I came back to it. And I said, but it's Urban Decay, and it's on clearance. And I have so many other Urban Decay palettes. I just need another one in my collection. And I said to myself again, no, Amber, you don't need this palette. You love palettes with color. This palette's all brown. You are not going to enjoy it. This isn't what you're looking for. You have so many other palettes that have brown in them. So I walked away again. But then I came back to it again and said, but it's a savings of $13.25. Oh, am I ever going to get a chance like this again? And then I said, no, Amber, you don't need this. You love cool tone palettes. And this is a warm tone palette. You don't need it. So I walked away again. So then I ran back to it again and I said, okay, Amber, if you get this palette, you better make the best looking brown eyeshadow look ever. And I told myself, deal. So I bought it. So if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, then first make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. And then sit on back, relax, have a laugh, and I hope you enjoy this video. All right, I'm here with Alana, and she's gonna pick out all the eyeshadows that I'm gonna be using in this look. All right, Alana, let's pick out the base color.
Swarm.
Okay, now pick the crease color.
Keeper.
All right, let's do a second crease color because we've got to be over the top.
Hive.
Now you're gonna pick out, let's do 3 lid colors because again, I'm extreme.
I'm gonna do Amber,
Woo! Good name.
Honey, and HBIC.
Okay, so now you're gonna pick the outer corner color.
Bang.
All right, here we go. Let me show you how I achieved this look. So first, we're gonna take the color Swarm, and this is gonna be our base color. All right, now I'm gonna move on to the crease color, and the first one I'm gonna use is Keeper. And I'm also gonna use the brush that came in this palette. Now onto my second crease color, Hive. So this one I am not going to bring up as high as the other crease color. I'm going to keep this centralized just in that crease and keep it nice and tight to the lid. Now I'm going to take the brush that I used for the crease color and blend out the harsh edges. Now onto my first lid color, Amber. So I think it was meant to be for me to buy this palette because my name is in here. So I'm going to take this shade and put it all over my lid. Now onto the second lid color, HBIC. And there I am making a mess once again because I forgot to tap my brush off. So I'm going to re-dip my brush and tap the excess off. There we go. I'm going to focus this color on the outside of my lid. Now on to the last lid color, Honey. And I'm going to start in the inner corner and work my way to the middle of the lid. Now onto the outer corner color called Sting. And I'm going to use a round brush and just put this in the corner and then bring it up a little bit into the crease. Now I'm going to take the first crease brush again and blend out the harsh edges. I'm going to clean up those edges and make a nice sharp line. And here is the final look. So my deal to myself of buying this palette was to make the best looking brown eyeshadow look ever. Did I achieve that? What do you think? Did I? So I honestly would have never paired the 3 lid colors together that Alana picked. So it's neat to see the different looks that you can create. And if you ever have a palette where you're like, I just don't know. I don't know what colors to put together. Use my method. Have a child or have someone else randomly pick out some colors for you to try out. Because you never know. It might look beautiful. Well, thank you to Alana for picking out these colors today. And here is some footage of behind the scenes. Okay. She is going to pick out, okay. Okay, stop. Okay. Let's see, let's get in closer. Are you looking there? Stop picking at that. No. Stop, because it's getting in my video. And you will be, spider. There's the spider. At least I got him. Oh, it looks like there's more bugs climbing up the tree. That's what you get for sitting against a tree. Well, thank you for watching this video. And as always, have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.